Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is today's puzzle. It's a Star Wars Mandalorian 1000-piece puzzle from Ravensburger. Let's get into it. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but it's probably going to take around 6 or 7 hours, I would have thought, as a guess. But there's a funny story behind this. This puzzle was sent to me by a subscriber. So it's not actually my puzzle, I'm just looking after it. But I've got to take care of it and make sure I don't lose any of the pieces. Alright, so we're ready. Let's get the timer going. Well, we've just hit, just gone over 2 hours actually. But yeah, not doing too bad. Managed to get a bit of Moff Gideon there, done a bit of Grogu, Cara, and the some of these characters up here, quite easy to find the faces for them. But I think we're doing okay. Doesn't seem to be that tricky at the moment. This is a problem. Got to get one more edge piece I can't seem to find, but I've been through all them pieces and can't see it. So we'll carry on. So we just went over the 4 hour mark by 5 minutes, but that's fine. I just thought I'd pause in and have a quick catch up. Grogu's there, he's doing well. We've got Moff Gideon, he's doing well. Kyra's there, coming together, kind of done the legs and everything. But Mando's quite tough. I'm having trouble finding bits for Mando. But I found that edge piece, so that's good. And I think maybe two or three more hours on this, we should have it cracked. So I'll just carry on. Okay, we've hit 6 hours. I think it's getting harder now. I thought it'd get easier, but I've kind of got the main figures. Still struggling a bit with Mando, to be honest, but kind of got the main figures done. But now there's a lot of stormtroopers that are left, and all these pieces kind of look the same. And there's this kind of shadowy area, but I think I've made good progress, but I think I'm starting to slow down a bit. So I think it might look. I think this is about 50%. I'm thinking maybe another 2 or 3 hours to get this done. So I'll just carry on. Okay, we just hit 8 hours, and I feel like I'm slowing down a bit, getting really down to this, all these bits, these dark sort of areas that go here, and then I've got loads over here still to go. I think there's more than an hour here. I'm thinking another hour and a half. I'm gonna try and do it before 10 hours, so I better carry on. that's the puzzle complete at 9:25 and 51. And it did actually take me much longer than I thought, because I thought I'd got all these characters together and I was left with loads of pieces that were really hard to identify, and I just had to try each one at a time and you know, get those final pieces done. So it did take a bit longer than I thought, and it's a bit more difficult than you think this is. It looks like it's going to be an easy one, but it's not. It is quite tricky, and I'm going to give this 4 out of 5 for difficulty for that reason. This is the first time I've ever done a Ravensburger puzzle before, and you can really tell the quality of this puzzle. It's absolutely spot on. You know, it's first class. These pieces are slightly beveled, and they are really nice to work with. The analytics for the missing piece suggests that 25% of the audience is from the USA, and I find that hard. I find that bizarre. I find that quite hard to believe. If you are from the USA, you are watching across the pond there in the USA, please put a note in the comments and say, you know, hi, we're watching from Minnesota, we're watching from Oregon, or wherever you are. Just put your state or wherever, and that would be really interesting to me. I'd love to know how far this channel reaches. Well, that brings us to the end of the video, and if you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back again soon with another Jigsaw. And thanks for watching Missing Piece.